When I viewed the case study and reflect upon the meeting with Mr. Elk, with the principal, the teacher, and other counselors, I focused on the framework of critique. I focused on the framework of critique because it talks about the inconsistencies and inadequacies that we find sometimes in our school settings, along with some of the biases that some of the teachers, faculty, and administrators may have. Therefore, when I reflected upon the meeting with Mr. Elk, I thought about initially how the teacher came off with the blame game, rather than first of all stepping back from the situation and really looking at why we are talking and what was the real purpose of the meeting. The purpose was, let us talk about the how we approach persons in our classrooms that are of various social economic cultures, how various ethnic races, and how do we engage all of our students so that they will feel comfortable in the classroom setting and not feel as though they are victimized because of who they are and their race. So when Mr. Elk came to the meeting, rather than feeling jumped upon, the conversation could have been, let us listen to what he has to say and impart some information that we can actually look at, think about, reflect upon, and come to a mutual agreement as to how some changes might be able to take place in our school setting. Do we really look at, from the critique standpoint, do we really look at how our classrooms are set up? Do we really look at how do we approach various topics in order so that every student can feel comfortable dialoguing about that particular subject matter and actually taking an active part in whatever imaginary scenario that we might put them in?